A smart mirror, or sometimes called magic mirror, is a two-way mirror with an inbuilt display behind the glass, available in different sizes. A small computer device, such as a Raspberry Pi, is more than enough to power a smart mirror. The display can show anything you want on the mirror's surface, such as the current time, weather forecast, news feed, upcoming appointments, emails, and more. A great advantage of Smart Mirror is the modules and software other people have already built. There are literally hundreds of different modules other people have built you can use for your Smart Mirror for various applications.